How to combine video on iPhone. First, go to App Store, tap above and write Capcut. I already have it installed, but you have to click here, Install. Now that we have launched the application, we need to click New Project. We select two videos that we want to combine and press blue button below Add. Now we are in a timeline where our clips have been automatically combined. If you want to save, select in the right top corner for quality and the sliders all the way to the right like me. Confirm with the arrow and now our clips has been combined. Click thumbs up button below and subscribe my channel.